How to Register to Vote, a guide for young adults. Voting is a fundamental right in the United States. As a young adult, your voice matters. Here's a guide to help you register to vote and understand the voting process. 1. Check your eligibility. Age, you must be 18 years old or older to register to vote. Citizenship, you must be a U.S. citizen. Residency, you must be a resident of the state where you want to vote. 2. Find your local registration office. Your local election office can provide you with information on how to register to vote in your area. You can find their contact information online or in your local phone book. 3. Gather necessary information. To register to vote, you will need to provide the following information: your full name, your date of birth, your current address, your social security number. 4. Complete the registration form. You can register to vote online, by mail, or in person at your local election office. The registration form will ask for your personal information and your political party affiliation, if applicable. 5. Submit your registration. Once you have completed the registration form, you will need to submit it by the deadline set by your state. 6. Receive your voter registration card. After you submit your registration, you should receive a voter registration card in the mail. This card will contain your voter registration number and other important information. 7. Find your polling place. Your voter registration card will indicate your polling place. This is the location where you will go to cast your ballot on Election Day. 8. Understand the voting process. The voting process varies by state. This but generally involves showing your voter registration card and presenting a valid form of identification. You will then be given a ballot to fill out. 9. Research the candidates and issues. Before Election Day, research the candidates and issues that are important to you. This will help you make informed decisions when casting your vote. Voting is a powerful way to make your voice heard and shape the future of your community. By registering to vote and participating in the electoral process, you can make a difference. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.